Hey guys, Matt here from MJ Harris Group, and today we're in Richmond visiting our friends WOODCUT. We're at Courtney and Georgia already inside talking all things flooring. Let's go in and check it out. So I'm here with Danny, the queen of engineered flooring. And Danny, there are so many questions out there about engineered flooring as a product, so can you tell us what is engineered flooring?
Yeah, engineered timber is first and foremost a real product, so it is real timber. We use either a European oak or ash for our top layer, and then we do 2 further layers with cross-grain construction just to make it all nice and stable.
So we're in Melbourne, obviously know the winters can be quite icy. Is engineered timber flooring compatible with underfloor heating?
Yes, they are. However, they are suitable for the more humid climates as well.
So one of the main questions that we get from our clients as designers is in regard to the durability of the board. Does it stand up to family life?
Yeah, pets and children are one of the most common questions we get here in the showroom. Our boards have been coated with either a UV oil or a UV lacquer coating and cured onto the boards, making them nice and durable, which means you should never have to sand them back. If you do have any issues down the track, you can cut out individual boards and replace them. So it's always handy to keep that leftover pack after install.
So in design, flooring is often one of the first things we pick in terms of finishes because it really sets the tone of the home. One of the recent projects that we used the pale oak floors for was our Grange Road kitchen. We had a really bold blue island going on in the center, so that was our focal point. So we wanted the base of the floorboards to be neutral and airy to really let that island sing. Do you mind walking us through some of the other colors that you've got within your range?
Absolutely. So we also do offer our ash collection, which is nice and clean. Then we do go down into our hand-selected rustic grade for other colors if you're wanting more character throughout your home as well.
So Danny, there are a few different options for straight boards in terms of the widths. We've found that lately it's really popular for the wider boards in a lot of our designs due to the grand and elegant feel. Could you please tell us a little bit more about the boards?
Absolutely. There's been a really big demand from designers lately to bring in a wider range. So we've introduced our Granville collection. They are 260 wide, they're 2.2 meters long, and we've brought them in some really unique colors.
What are the other options that you offer in terms of the different lay types?
Yeah, so here at WOODCUT we do offer parquetry as well. We offer herringbone and a chevron lay.
What is the difference between a herringbone and a chevron pattern?
Yeah, so herringbone is basically just smaller straight boards laid on a 45-degree angle overlapping, and our chevron is a little bit more complicated, both on a 45, but the chevron is cut straight to give clean lines down the middle.
So there you have it. There's a lot to consider when choosing the perfect flooring for your home. That's why it's always best to consult the experts in the field and always work with tried and trusted suppliers.